I'm Jackson, a product manager here at Karbon, and I'm really excited to be demoing to you today the new Xero and Karbon integration. This integration consists of three key components: a contact sync, which eliminates the need for double entry of data between contacts over Xero and Karbon; an invoice sync, meaning that invoices sent out of Karbon will be automatically created and linked with Xero; and a payment sync, so that payments that you collect in Xero or Karbon automatically flow through to the other system, keeping your balances in check. This allows both your practice management and general ledger system to do what they do best. Let's jump into the contact sync. So I have a new client who we've recently signed called Pinewood Trees. I want to go ahead and create that client inside Xero. I'm going to scroll on down to this section and click Create. That's going to go ahead and create that contact in Xero and sync it, meaning that any details changed, including the name, the billing email, and the billing address in either system, will flow through to the other. Let's jump into invoicing. So I have an invoice here in draft for our friends at Pinewood Trees. I'm going to go ahead and approve and send this invoice. As we can see here, the status of this invoice has now been updated to awaiting payment, and if we give the page a quick refresh, we'll see that the invoice has also been successfully synced to Xero by checking this sync status here. Jumping back into this invoice at a later date, we can see that Pinewood Trees has made a successful payment against this invoice using Karbon payments. Let's jump into Xero and see what it looks on that side. Moving into Xero, we can see that this invoice has been successfully synced and it now has a status of paid because we've received this payment just here. Jumping into the payment, Karbon creates a debit in the clearing account, which needs to be reconciled with the credit of the payout that you receive at a later date. Now, Karbon successfully made a payout against this payment, so let's go and reconcile it. I've linked my business account here, and I've got one item to reconcile. Jumping into the reconciliation feed, I can see that I've got a $2,122.70 payout, and I want to apply that against my clearing account. I'm using a bank rule here, and you can learn how to set those up in our help documents. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and now we've successfully reconciled our payment.